Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy meal to eat throughout the week. If you're like me, you get tired of spending money. Usually when you buy something out to eat, it's unhealthy. It's a ground turkey salsa. I cook this on Sundays and I'll eat it for lunch throughout the week. It's really good. You can eat it as a salsa. You could eat it as a soup. You could put it on top of the chips and kind of make like a taco del grande or whatever. It's super delicious. I just want to share it with you. I cook this all the time. I usually take my Sundays and go ahead and make my lunches throughout the week. So here we go. What we got, we have fresh ground turkey. I guess it's the organic, I'm not sure. Great value corn. I love black beans, so I put 2 cans. And then the Rotel. This is the original, but you can kind of go as spicy as you like. The first thing we will do is brown the turkey meat. And I like to use a little bit of olive oil to just kind of coat the bottom of the pan. And if you don't like turkey meat, you can use beef, but like I said, I'm trying to make this a healthy meal. Alright, I just dumped the turkey meat in the pot with a little olive oil. And we're just going to brown that. You know, you can't cook this in a crock pot and just kind of let it sit all day, but I've done it both ways, and this is a lot quicker, and it tastes the same. All right, we'll let that sit for a minute. Alright, the turkey meat is pretty much brown by now. I'm going to go ahead and lower the heat on the stove till a little bit under medium. And then, like I said, this is super simple, and you're just literally going to pour everything in here. I will sometimes drain some of the black bean juice out. Like I said, you can eat this as a salsa, or you usually just kind of eat it like a soup for lunch. And you would probably be good with just 1 can of black beans, but I really love black beans, so. I'm just gonna stir it up. All right, I'm gonna let that simmer a little bit. Put a lid on it. All right, when I feel like, you know, it's simmered enough and the kind of flavor is seeped into the meat, I'll just put in some containers, and we are ready for the work week. little bit left on. Alright, I'm gonna make a little tortilla dish. Something to snack on right now. Got some football. Some queso in the little dish. We'll heat it up. While it's warming up,